Display your wine collection on any wall in your home with the Ultra Wine Rack's Fusion panel. This sleek, modern modular racking solution allows you to expand your display by easily installing new panels at any time. Choose the faceplate and peg style that suits your lifestyle and living space. Choose a horizontal display to maximize your label visibility, or a cork-out display to maximize storage capacity. Don't just store your wine, display your wine with the Fusion Panel system from Ultra Wine Racks.